At RuiKai, we build the connections that power the world. Every reliable heat shrink cable accessory begins with premium raw materials, rigorously inspected upon arrival. Inside our factory, advanced machinery transforms these materials into precise profiles through automated extrusion and molding. Then comes the science behind the strength: controlled electron beam irradiation. This process permanently enhances the material's memory and durability, ensuring performance even in extreme conditions. Each product undergoes strict quality checks before final packaging. From our facility to your project site, we deliver trust and reliability globally. RuiKai, engineering connections that last.